Hello everyone friends on the Vivor canal. Today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a gamepad for your smart TV. To do this, go to the browser or to the Google Play Store if you have one. That's it. And we'll have to find an app, yes, that's called Kank Android Remote. Here it is. And open it. That's it. Next, make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, yes, and have downloaded this app on your phone. In general, this is not difficult to do. Also, Google Play Store, Kank Remote open, yes, respectively, and click on search. That's it. And look for TVs nearby. Well, accordingly, I connected to my TV, yes, and now here I choose simply. Here you will have, yes, you can choose a mouse, you can choose a gamepad. Yes, in this way. And now I can use the phone as a gamepad. That's it. For some reason, it just didn't work. That's the way it is. That's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Vevor was with you. Goodbye, everyone.